Welcome everyone to another brand new video. Today in this video I like to share you guys how to unlock your iPhone with a mask. This feature only available iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. Before I started, make sure your smartphone running iOS 15.4. So at first go to your phone setting, then tap on Face ID and password and enter your passcode. Then tap on Face ID with a mask and tap on use Face ID with a mask. Next get start and complete your Face ID, and as you can see that you also add alternative appearance and you also use glasses. If you use glasses you can add this option, and finally you can unlock your phone with a mask with your iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. Okay, this is all about today video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.